Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of Forex trading sessions. As a trader, understanding the specific times when the major financial markets are active and what currencies they drive is crucial. In this episode, we will cover the four Forex trading sessions open and close time, currency pairs each session drives, the best session to trade. If this is something you're interested in, please give this video a thumbs up to show your support and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Alright, see you after the disclaimer. Welcome back traders. So let's get started. Trading sessions refer to specific periods during the day when financial markets are open for trading. The global financial market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, but they are divided into distinct trading sessions based on major financial centers around the world. Each trading session lasts 9 hours. The four Forex trading sessions are the New York session, the London session, the Sydney session, and the Tokyo session. So we're going to go into them one by one and then till we reach the end. Starting up with the Sydney session. The Sydney session is the start of the trading day. That means it's the first session of the day. And while it has lower overall trading volume compared to London or New York, it is important for setting vital market sentiment. So that's it about the Sydney session. Going on to the London session. London is a major financial hub and the session is known for its liquidity and volatility. It often sets the tone for the day and sees increased activity during the overlap with New York session. Thirdly, New York session. The New York session is one of the most active sessions with high liquidity. It significantly influences currency movement, especially during its overlap with the London session. Fourth is the Tokyo session. Tokyo is a major financial center in Asia. The session is known for being relatively calm and quiet, and it's not as volatile as the other major sessions. It often sees increased activity during its overlap with the Sydney session. Of all the listed topics we're meant to cover in this episode, we've just listed the four Forex trading sessions. Now we're going into the session open and close. As in Nigeria using the GMT, here are the times for the open and close for every trading session. The first session, which is Sydney, opens by 10 p.m. and then closes by 7 a.m. Then comes London session, which opens by 8 a.m. and then closes by 5 p.m. Then comes New York session, which opens by 1 p.m. and then closes by 10 p.m. Then lastly, Tokyo session, which opens by 12 a.m. and then closes by 9 a.m. I'll be mentioning overlap. Overlap is a scenario whereby two sessions are open at the same time, because when one open it closes, so before that one closes another session tends to open. So the open of this other session, when both sessions are open the same time, there tends to be high liquidity and volatility in the market. So the overlap between the Sydney and Tokyo session typically occurs from 12 between 12 a.m. and 3 a.m. So does the overlap between the London and New York session occur between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. So during the overlapping period, the currency pairs often experience higher liquidity. So when I say higher liquidity, I mean more inflow of money and increased trading volumes, making them potentially favorable for trading. So we're on to currency pairs each session drives. Firstly, we'll talk on the Sydney session. The Sydney session drives the Australian dollar. that's the AUD. That currency pair tends to have much liquidity when the Sydney session is open. Then London session seems to drive the euro and the Great Britain pound, that's EUR and GBP. So when London session is open, you tend to see more movement on the euro and the pound currency pairs. Moving on to New York session. New York session basically drives the United States dollar, that's the USD. So when New York session is open, you tend to see the USD acting more active and then stronger against other currency pairs. Moving on to the Tokyo session. So the Tokyo session literally drives Japanese yen. During the Tokyo session, you tend to see more increased trading activities and then more volatility on the Japanese yen currency pairs. The Tokyo session literally drives the Japanese yen. During the Tokyo session, you tend to see increased trading activities, volatility, and strength in the Japanese yen more than other currency pairs. So that's it about the currency pairs each session drives. Lastly, we're talking about the best sessions to trade. So this literally bounces back to you. So because choosing your trading sessions depend on your style of trading preferences, your trading strategy, your personal schedule, and then currency pairs you want to trade. I listed currency pairs each session drives so that you know what session drives the currency pairs you are willing to trade, and then you know the timing of your session open and close so as to enable you make good trading decisions. So I think that should be all for this episode for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy trading, and I will see you in the next video.